Do you consider purchasing an electric bike but aren't quite sure if it's worth the extra cost? Then this video is for you. We'll be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of electric bikes and giving you all the information you need to make an informed decision. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button. Also make sure to check out our store, electricbikeparadise.com, for more amazing and affordable electric bicycles that fit perfectly for you. Let's start with the advantages of electric bikes. First, they can save you time and money. If you're tired of being stuck in traffic on your daily commute, an electric bike might be the solution you've been looking for. You can travel faster and go further than on a regular bike, which means you can avoid busy streets and take advantage of bike lanes. Plus, electric bikes have fewer moving parts than vehicles with internal combustion engines, which mean they're less likely to break down and require maintenance. Secondly, electric bikes offer great health benefits. They provide the same exercise as regular bikes but with less effort, which is perfect for people who want to get fit but don't want to get too tired. Electric bikes are also easy on the joints, making them a great option for older people or those with underlying health issues. Finally, electric bikes are safer than regular bikes when used for commuting. They allow you to ride on bike lanes but also traverse busy motorways. If you ride an electric bike on public roads, just remember to stick to safety rules like wearing bright, easily identifiable attire and using lights and the bell for good visibility. Now, let's move on to the disadvantages of electric bikes. Firstly, they can be more expensive than regular bikes, with certain high-end models having the same or higher prices than small-engine motorcycles. However, this extra cost is due to the technology and components packed into the unit, as well as the expensive lithium batteries used in lightweight battery packs. Secondly, electric bikes are significantly heavier than regular bikes. This can be an issue for some people who are used to regular bikes, as it can make them more difficult to lift and put in the car or bring on public transport. Additionally, the extra weight can make it harder to start from a stop without pedal assistance. Finally, electric bikes have limited range due to their battery life. This can be a major factor for some people, especially if they're planning on using their bike for long distances or for extended periods of time. So, in conclusion, are electric bikes worth it? Well, that depends on your needs and preferences. If you're looking for a convenient, comfortable, and efficient way to commute or exercise, then an electric bike might be a great option for you. Just keep in mind that they can be more expensive and heavier than regular bikes, and they have limited range due to their battery life. That's it for today's video. If you're interested in purchasing an electric bike, be sure to check out our store, electricbikeparadise.com, for amazing and affordable options. Thanks for watching.